This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Nied. Beautiful 3-bedroom 2-bath luxury condo in premier gated community on the Chesapeake Bay. Close to 2,000 square feet, tray ceilings, gas fireplace, lots of natural light. Updated kitchen with granite, gas stove, stainless appliances. Private 2-car garage with room for storage. Climate-controlled private storage room. New HVAC. Community has clubhouse, pool, exercise room and private access to beach within steps of your condo. Enjoy the good life in Mariner's Mark. For more information, review the details below.